How to enable or disable dark mode on Chrome. You know that feeling when you are browsing late at night and the bright white screen just burns your eyes? Yeah, me too.
Let me show you how to fix that.
First, just open up Google Chrome like you normally would. Look up at the top right corner of the window. See those three little dots? Go ahead and click them. From the menu that pops down, click on Settings. That is where all the good stuff is hidden. Now on the left-hand side, find and click Appearance. Trust me on this one. Right under Mode, you will see three choices: Light, Dark, or Device.
Pick Dark.
Boom! Your whole browser switches instantly. Way better for your eyes at night, right? And that is it. Super simple. If this actually helped you out, do me a favor and tap the subscribe button before you go. I make quick tips like this all the time. Also, comment dark below so I know this worked for you. Next video, I will show you how to force dark mode on websites that do not even have the option. See you in that one.